In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an invitation link for a meeting in Zoom. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, these simple steps will help you effortlessly share your meeting details with others. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Zoom application on your desktop and sign in with your credentials. If you're new to Zoom or haven't logged in recently, make sure you remember your account details or have them handy to ensure a smooth and quick process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main screen, often defaulting to the Home tab. What you need to do next is navigate over to the Meetings tab. You'll usually find this option at the top of your screen, alongside other features like Chat and Contacts. Once you're in the Meetings tab, you should see a list of all your upcoming scheduled meetings right there before you. Take a moment to locate the specific meeting for which you want to copy the link. If you have lots of meetings scheduled, feel free to scroll through the list to find the right one, or use the search functionality to quickly pinpoint the meeting you're looking for. When you've found the meeting in question, go ahead and click into it. This could be by selecting the meeting from the list, or, if available, from the meeting card directly. Clicking on the meeting will expand to show various details related to it, and you'll notice several options on your screen. Among these, look for an option labeled Copy Invitation. Clicking this will duplicate the entire meeting invitation text to your clipboard. This complete invitation text is useful if you're looking to share all the meeting details, like the link, meeting ID, password, and any additional information you've included in your setup. However, if you only need to capture the link to the meeting, focus on the section titled Join Zoom Meeting. Here, you'll find the URL necessary for attendees to join your meeting directly. Just highlight and copy this URL. Once you've got the invitation or link copied, you're probably wondering where best to share it. Well, you can paste it almost anywhere from an email or a chat message to a calendar invite, whatever suits your needs. To paste, simply use Ctrl+V if you're on Windows or CMD+V if you're using a Mac. This handy shortcut saves you from needing to right-click or go through any menu options, making the paste process quick and hassle-free. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you're well equipped to share your Zoom meeting details with anyone, ensuring that your attendees have everything they need to join your meeting without a hiccup. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today.